If you've lost your sending privileges on Chase Bank, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Chase Bank online account by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile and Preferences section. This area contains options related to your account settings and privileges. Step 3. Review Sending Privileges. Look for the option that pertains to sending privileges or transaction limits. Check if there are any alerts or notifications indicating why your privileges were revoked. Step 4. Follow the restoration process. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After completing the restoration process, log out and log back in to confirm that your sending privileges have been restored. You should be able to send funds as usual. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Chase Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Chase Customer Service for further assistance.